and lady holding this dinner at the National Parliament underlines the importance of Fiji's progress towards introducing the first genuine parliamentary democracy next year. As you know, we are currently holding public discussions throughout the country on the new draft constitution. It provides for a common and equal citizenry, an accountable and efficient parliament and civil service, the protection of fundamental rights, and an election for parliamentary democracy on the basis of one person, one vote, one value, for the first time in our history by 30th September 2014. We are building a new Fiji, a better Fiji, one that finally puts to rest the divisions of the past and lays the foundation for lasting stability and prosperity. And we are seeking to further enhance our international relationships, not least with our long-standing friends in Papua New Guinea. Our ties have been strong and go way beyond mutual respect and cooperation, the traditional benchmarks of diplomacy. We genuinely like each other, we enjoy each other's company, we share the same values, and have a common vision for the advancement of the Melanesian people through the association that binds us together, the Melanesian Spearhead Group. We have already developed close trade and investment ties, but there is room to do much more, which is why I'm here, leading the first ever official Fijian trade delegation to Papua New Guinea and the biggest delegation Fiji has sent to any country.